Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to fix YouTube not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you are not able to open and use YouTube on your Chromebook, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method to fix it. First of all, make sure you are on the latest version of Chrome OS. For that, click on Launch icon. Here from the app launcher, open Settings and click on About Chrome OS and check for Chrome OS update. And if there is any pending update, it will automatically install it on your Chromebook. So wait for the update process to complete. After that, simply open YouTube application and try to use it. If you are still facing the issue, then you can simply clear the cookies and site data. For that, on the YouTube application, you will find three dot icon, click on it, then click on App Info. Now here click on Cookies and Site Data option. Then click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete data from all these sites. After that, click on Done. Now here click on Reload and it should fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix YouTube not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.